People that are on childcare apprenticeships usually work full-time within nurseries, preschools, and some even in reception classes in schools. And they're kind of there to, make sure the children are safe, make sure they're looked after, plan activities for their needs, and just kind of make sure the children are really happy and that they're developing in the areas of the UFS. We do a level 2 course, and that's a year course, and then we do a level 3 course, which is an 18-month course. And they're slightly different. The level 3 is a lot more about the curriculum and a lot more theorists and kind of the theory that goes with childcare. And a lot of it is observations and planning activities, and there's a little bit of written work and things in there as well. It's brilliant if you want kind of a hands-on role, because childcare is that. Learn with the children, see them grow, see them develop. You make really good relationships with them and also with the parents as well. And when we're looking to hire people for a childcare apprenticeship, we're looking for people who care, who've got a passion for working with children. They've got to be fun, they've got to be exciting, they've got to be creative. You've got to be all those things and really, really want to do it, because it can be, it's a really rewarding job, but it can be really hard work. So you've got to, be really passionate about that and have a real caring and patient side.